SAP Analytics Cloud is a cloud-based business intelligence platform. When paired with CData Connect Cloud, you get true cloud-to-cloud access to data from cloud applications like Snowflake for visualization, dashboards, and more. In this video, we walk through connecting to Snowflake data in CData Connect and accessing CData Connect from SAP Analytics Cloud to create a model and build a simple chart. To follow along, you will need a Snowflake instance, a CData Connect instance, and an SAP Analytics Cloud account. Start by logging into your CData Connect instance and clicking Databases. Select an available data source and enter the necessary connection properties. Click Test Database to ensure that you have configured the connection properly. After connecting, click Privileges and add a CData Connect user with the appropriate permissions. After connecting to Snowflake, create OData endpoints for the desired tables. Select the Snowflake database and select the tables you wish to work with. Click Next. You now have OData endpoints that will allow you to connect to your application data from SAP Analytics Cloud. Next, navigate to your Analytics Cloud instance and click Create Model from the menu. Choose Get Data from a Data Source and select OData Services. Choose an existing connection to your CData Connect OData endpoint or create a new one. Set data service URL to the base URL for your OData API. Set authentication type to basic authentication. Set username to the CData Connect user you configured earlier, and set password to the auth token for the user. Choose Create a New Query and click Next. Name the query, select an OData endpoint and click Next. Drag the columns you wish to work with into the selected data workspace and click Create. At this point, a draft data source is created. Click the draft to finalize the model. Perform any transformations, including creating calculated dimensions, location dimensions, and combining data sources, then click Create Model, finalizing the model. Name your model and click OK. With the model created, you are ready to create a dashboard in SAP Analytics Cloud based on Snowflake data. From the menu, click Create Story. Click an SAP Analytics template, choose a layout, and click Apply. From the More menu, select a visualization to insert. Select a model to visualize, select a structure and the required measures and dimensions, and save the story. At this point, you have a direct cloud-to-cloud connection to Snowflake data from SAP Analytics Cloud. You can create new visualizations, build interactive dashboards, and more. For more information on CData Connect and to sign up for a free trial, visit cdata.com/connect and see the CData difference for yourself.